Yes, 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 yeah! Come on, take that, you 7-year-old. Bam, bam, bam. All right. I'm aware of how that looks. I'm absolutely stoked that I won an online video game. I'm pumped. Now listen, I was never planning to record this video. This is just a customer build, but it actually turned out so well that we decided to turn it into a video. And also, guys, you're looking at a gaming stud, right? So I won a couple of online video games, Battle Royale, so come on, your boys still got it. Now, why am I presenting a YouTube video in a vest? This is usually considered poor form. One, because of winning those 2 games, I'm filled with testosterone. But the real reason is, I'm about to head out to the gym, when I decided actually we should be turning this one into a video, so we're doing a quick intro before we start our day. It is actually 10 to 6 in the morning. The only reason I'm so wired is because I've snorted lots of pre-workout. Woo! And in that high energy vein, we are talking about a high energy gaming PC. What does that mean, you dunce? It means RTX 3070 Ti. It means Ryzen 5 5600X, and it means deflowering a Corsair case by not using Corsair RGB fans. Sue me. Sue me. We had some Lian Li ST120s available, and we're putting these in the Corsair case with all these white components, making a beautiful white build that actually you might want to use as a build guide, because it does actually look spectacular and have fantastic performance as well. So stick around for that. Build, parts, gaming, and fun with friends. What more could you want? So stick around. So what better way to start than with a simple build montage. See you on the other side for some testing and of course to discuss the parts used in this absolutely beautiful PC. See you there.
I cannot look away, about to crash into my face. Just another day on the shelf. Pull me from my silhouette. Years we've been estranged. Now a broken shell remains. I cannot embrace what I regret. Round and round, around I go. The spinning makes me ill. An image held inside the very world I build. Please help me now, 'cause I can't even feel enough to know if I get out. I'm numb to the pain, but hollow without. Floating in a world of glass, I can imitate. Got a smile worth its weight. When the mirror breaks, there's someone else. Round and round, around I go. The spinning makes me ill. A hostage held inside the very world I build. Please help.
So I've got to say, happy with the looks on this one. It's kind of a tried and true design, this, isn't it? Vision graphics card from Gigbayte, white Corsair 4000D airflow, RGB up the wazoo, and one of our favourite liquid coolers, the IDCOOLING Zoomflow, all comes together absolutely beautifully into a very premium gaming PC. Alright, gents. Well, ladies as well, but my YouTube analytics says gents. We're playing some Apex Legends. What good is having a gaming PC in a YouTube video if you're not going to actually test it in some games? So, Apex Legends, 1440p resolution, everything on high settings. I think we turned off some of the shadow settings, but everything else is on high. Maximum field of view as well, because, you know, we're sweaty. We want to get a win. And you can see here, we're getting a nice average frame rate of 170, 175-ish. Perfect for you guys running on these 144 Hz, 165 Hz, 1440p monitors, especially being able to keep the eye candy on. You know, if you want that lower latency, turn those settings down as well. Gives you plenty of headroom. Absolutely fantastic. Temperature's looking really nice as well if you look in that top left there. And, of course, we love getting a win in a Battle Royale. And look, anyone that says I got carried in this game, you can go and pound sand, mate. Come on, everybody contributes to the win. Let's move on to Fortnite now. So I can't rely on any teammates in Fortnite to carry me to the win. So let's see how we get on in this game. So it looks like in Fortnite they've brought back this hunting rifle weapon, right? And they brought back a gold variant. Back in the day, I used to play quite a lot of Fortnite. It used to be really fun. I kind of went off it a little bit. But the hunting rifle, one of my favourite guns, because it's one of those snipers you quickly peek, take the head off. So I was quite excited to use that. Heavy sniper also looks like it's back. But this isn't a Fortnite channel. We're talking about gaming performance. And our average is well above 300 FPS. So you guys playing on 240 Hz, 1440p monitors, you know, those Samsung ones or that Alienware AW27. If you're going to be playing Fortnite, absolutely brilliant. We are playing on the low settings with the maximum draw distance. It gets rid of all the visual clutter and makes it easier to see your opponents. But I imagine if you even put this onto medium or maybe even high settings, you'd probably get the same frame rate because you can see our GPU usage is pretty low most of the time. Now in this clutch situation, we're still maintaining that 300 FPS. And everybody loves a nice easy win, going for the Great Fall. This is the problem with building up so high without solid foundation. It's a victory royale for yours truly.
Yes, yes.
So that's our true to life gaming test done. We're also going to talk about some benchmarks in a second. What do you guys think? Do you think we should also add something like Cyberpunk into the mix as well? Maybe mix up the testing? If so, let me know. We'll make it happen. Now, benchmark time. Talking about Heaven Benchmark being our first sort of more consistent test environment for testing out the video card. FPS average 219 with a score of 5531. Pretty nice. This is 3070 Ti territory. Not getting too far away from RTX 3080 territory either. So fantastic, fantastic performance. How about Shadow of the Tomb Raider, running at 1440p, max settings, no DLSS allowed, so pure hardware work. We're going for 128 average FPS, which I think is pretty fantastic. Considering you're playing 1440p on max settings on a AAA title, that's pretty nice. I mean, obviously, Tomb Raider is a little bit old, but still pretty good test of gaming performance on a PC. So absolutely brilliant. Last thing to test now is our temperatures. 30 minutes in Prime 95 and 30 minutes in OCCT. Running those together to cook that CPU and GPU as much as possible. Now, after half an hour in Prime 95, our maximum temperature reached 66 degrees C. Now, for those of you guys that know Prime 95, you'll know that's a fantastic temperature. It's not uncommon to see CPUs hitting 90, even 100 sometimes in this test, so it shows that we've got great airflow. We've got a nice 5600X which doesn't take on too much power, and the cooling solution is working very nicely. If we ignore those really big spikes that you get in Prime 95, we use this equilibrium temperature, which is something I've made up. It's not very scientific, but it's quite a good approximation of a heavy gaming scenario. 60 degrees Celsius here, so that's absolutely brilliant. Like we said before, you're not getting thermal throttling on CPUs until you're about 80 degrees, 85 degrees at the lowest, so absolutely fine. Plenty of headroom for this thing to boost as high as it can. Graphics card temperature test running at the same time. Maximum GPU temperature in OCCT over 30 minutes, 67 degrees C. That's absolutely brilliant. Any temperature under 70 degrees C in this test, I would consider that excellent. This is a really good cooling solution. Fat heatsink, 3 fans, and looks the business. Absolutely amazing. So we've built it, we've tested it, we've ogled it. There's not much left to do now, but say goodbye. Thanks for watching. Check out this video for another pure white gaming PC build, and hopefully see you in the next one. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, please. Bye bye.